This time on Clayton Speed, we are doing something very, very involved, very, very tricky, but we're up for a challenge. Let's get into it. Don't judge me too harshly, but this is going to be a modified marina. The last one we did was the Blue Saloon, and a lot of people have been asking what happened to it. Did I finish it? Well, the answer is yes, I did. So stick around, I'll tell you about that in a little while. But first, I'm going to introduce you to this latest project, a project that I've wanted to personally build for about 20 years, collecting bits and pieces, researching all sorts of different things. Now it actually comes to reality, we're going to get this car, and hopefully you will see the whole process. So it's already stripped, so okay, you didn't see that, but the next thing is it's going to be chemically dipped. It come back with all bare metal coated, ready to be modified. Any holes, any pounds that need replacing can be done so at that point, and then we're going to crack on and I'll tell you exactly what my intentions are. First of all, let's get it outside and get a better look at what we've got. People think I'm mad, especially the neighbours, pushing this in and out all the time. Brakes are stuck on. Currently a two-door coupe. It will remain a two-door coupe. The idea is it's going to be slightly longer in the doors, very subtly. Not that one, that one, roughly. It's a four-door. Okay, it's not going to be a four-door, but that is an interesting idea. Imagine it if you will. Long door coupe, moving the B-post backwards about 3 inches or so, gives us a little bit extra length in the door, probably how a coupe should be. It wasn't done at the factory, first cost saving. Sure. But what we're also going to do is basically try and copy something that British Leyland started in the 1970s on one of these cars. They just didn't finish it. Well, they may have done, I don't know. Anyone who knows anything about ADO 77, link in the description to a brilliant article on it. But that's all I know, and a little bit of information on wheelbase. Imagine, if you will, Marina 1300 Coupe have this style of grille, but we're going to flip it upside down and make it slightly droop snooped front. That'll go on just like that. Some industrial. Bye. Got brakes are stuck on. Not going very far. There you go. So yeah, long door, droop snoot front, bring the front valance out about 4 inches, wheelbase stretched 4 inches. McPherson front suspension, not going double A arms or anything like that fancy. What I'm trying to do is use British Leyland parts. And yes, this car will be IVA tested. This will be built to IVA specification. I'm not hiding anything. This car is custom. It is radically altered, or will be radically altered. At the moment, its only alterations are that it's got no parts on it and it's got holes in it. But we're going to build something really cool, and it's going to be road legal, safe, done properly by me. Okay, so I promised you an update on the Blue Mark2 Marina Special that most of the videos on this channel are about. I painted that car, I finished that car, I filmed all that car. Unfortunately, I had a massive hard drive failure and I lost a load of footage, so it got quite despondent with the whole YouTube thing, and but can't be helped. Anyway, the car has been finished. I finished it here in the garage. It is now living with a new owner, and I couldn't be happier. It is in the perfect place, it's in the perfect hands for that car. And if you want to see that car, head to the Classic Car Restoration Show, 22nd to 24th of March 2024 at Birmingham NEC, and you can see that car. Head to the Morris Marina Owners Club stand. It'll be there as a static display amongst the stand that they're putting on for that show. I will be there over the weekend. Hope to bump into you. I probably should be working on this one because this is the next project to get on with, and I will hopefully do a bit of filming with it, and hopefully you will see it here on Clayton Speed.